Thank you guys for clicking on the video. If we could get 5 likes on this episode, that would be great. We're a smaller channel. Don't like bars are not goals are not that big. I'm not asking for 5,000 likes or anything. Just 5. That's it. It doesn't take that much of your time. And thank you guys for clicking on the video. And let's get right into it. Today is a very special day. It arrived. It literally arrived about maybe not even a minute ago. I just freaked out, opened up the box, and just plopped it onto here. So here's all the parts. Right here's an H110 GTX, Core i7-6700K, like how it shows everything in the back, the actual processor. Focus, please. Yeah, right there. It's awesome. So, let's do this, shall we? this is the end of the line, kind of. Maybe. Well, this is it. This is the PC, the tower, and all its glory, and it's a little rattled. Kind of annoying, but I'll fix that later. Well, this is it. The desk actually got moved. If you look earlier in the video, it's been a little bit since I recorded those bits. I've been using my PC for about, I'd say, just under a week. I did a lot of preparation for this video, guys. It's crazy how much work I put into a single video. I wanted to be as perfect as I could get it with what I have. So, because if you look earlier in the video, you can definitely, if you look in the mirror, it's actually right behind the recording right now, the camera, you can definitely tell you can see what I use to record. It's not good. I'll leave here, right up here, I'll put a little link for UPC watchers to go see that video. Well, not that video, but the portion of the video where that's from. So it's so good having a better computer, so there's actually the editing right there of this same video. Here's a comparison. I used to edit my videos on a really crappy laptop, Acer laptop. The processor on it was an Intel 4200U and it had integrated graphics. So here's the render speed on here. I'll put a little thing right there saying how long it took. And then right there, I'll put how long it took on this. So yeah, I think they're probably huge differences, because an overclocked Intel i7-6700K, I actually overclocked to 4.59 gigahertz, which I think is pretty good, and that one is at 2.8 gigahertz, so there's got to be a huge difference there, right off the bat. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more, or it means a ton when we see more subscribers on our little list. We don't have much right now, but it's definitely worth seeing it. Like this video for more like this. I'll definitely, if we get enough likes on the next one, on this video, I'll definitely do an upcoming video on talking about it more, all like the benchmarks on some games and stuff. But yeah, so that I think wraps it up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. Peace.